Good day, everyone. Learn how to create a shortcut on your desktop in Windows 11. I'll tell you the easiest way to do so. All right, so please see and listen to me carefully. If you drag and drop it, it will not work in Windows 11. So we need to click on the start icon, and then we will click on all, and then whatever the application you want as a shortcut, you do not have to do a right click. You can simply left click on that and drag it to your desktop like this. And this is how you can create a shortcut on Windows 11. You can try that, and do let me know in the comment section whether it's successful or not, whether you are able to create shortcut in Windows 11 or not. I'll be glad if you leave a comment if this tutorial is helpful. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.